Yeah, I saw.
They got guinea pigs down here.
Oh, they're over there. I didn't see them. Hey, I want to know. Can we raise rabbit?
As long as you don't have a male and a female, you can.
What do you mean
If you
by
get a male and female, you're going to be ready to start selling them. They're crazy. That's what it's You got a male and female, all of a sudden they have 20 rabbits. He sold them to her for $10. She'd sell them over here for 40.
Oh.
Marked up 45. That's the ones on the
Oh, I want one. I want a rabbit.
Well, they're 45.
Oh.
And they were Archie.
But how we raise him?
I don't know. But those are 45. Archie told me just now. They were his
so darn
rabbits.
cute. But how you raise this is what I want to know.
Ask the lady.
Why don't you ask her?
She's wondering, how do you raise a rabbit?
Pretty much if they have food and water, then they're good.
Can you raise them in pen like this?
Yeah, you can raise
Just
them.
like that, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You
But
don't have to let them run
they'll
around?
Dig. They'll dig.
I
Yeah,
don't care if they dig.
they dig. Yeah.
You got